Championship sounds good to me. Give her the shot, I think.
Yeah, stuff to... Oh, wait a minute.
The lights in the TD Garden Arena have gone dark. And, oh, there's the champion, Julia Hart.
What's behind? What's behind?
Oh, Sky Blue.
Yeah.
Willow's former friend.
That's
with the
right.
shot block.
And now a good friend of Julia Hart. Sky Blue attacks.
Going crazy is Sky Blue.
And Sky Blue and Julia Hart, they took umbrage with Willow calling them out last week, and now look at Julia, I mean, just enraged.
Julia Hart ramming the back.
She said, get the belt. She told Sky Blue, get the belt. What are they going to do? What are they going to do?
We've seen how much damage those belts can do already tonight.
Here comes the CEO!
Mecedes Mone. The CEO. Whose side is she on? But Mecedes answering that question with the elbow strike, taking Sky Blue off her feet.
And there's no back down to Julia Hart. And Mecedes is eyeballing her right straight to her face.
Oh, Julia came on the knee. And now Mecedes. Oh, Lance, Julia Hart, Mecedes Mone. Wow, what a difference maker here tonight, Tony.
Yeah, 3 moves, and she's made her mark already. And listen to the fans.
And Mecedes now turns her attention to Willow Nightingale. We mentioned that upset victory that Willow scored over Mecedes, and great respect shown by Willow towards the CEO, Mecedes Mone.
Yeah, Willow exiting the ring, giving the ring to the debuting Mecedes Mone right here in AEW in Boston, in our hometown.
I'll say it again, there's never been a better time to be a fan of AEW than right now.
Well, the CEO, Mecedes Mone, making an immediate impact here tonight. Dynamite big business. The CEO has arrived. And if Sky Blue and the TBS champion Julia Hart were upset before, they have to be apoplectic right now. But fans